Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Pareek and I'm the Chief Coordinator of Placements and Corporate Interface team at SIDTM. Before I walk you through the remarkable stats of batch 2023-25, I would like to quote Henry Ford as he said, "The harder you work on something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it." Our institute embodies this spirit by nurturing students with necessary skill sets to excel in digital dynamic landscape. In today's ever-evolving industry landscape, a holistic approach is crucial for MBA students. To address this, SIDTM has partnered with UiPath for robotic process automation, AWS, and IDS for blockchain to equip students from diverse backgrounds with necessary skill sets to become future-ready techno manager. In addition to this, SIDTM also organizes a series of guest lectures and events featuring industry experts from different organizations like BCG, Barclays, Aditya Birla Group, and Mastercard, to name a few. This session ensures that students have an in-depth knowledge and are ready to excel in the corporate world. SIDTM also collaborates with its extensive alumni network to conduct pre-placement module. This helps students to understand how the placement process will look like and gear up for the upcoming placement cycle. I am delighted to announce these efforts have led to remarkable achievements. Batch 2023-25 completed its placement process for all the eligible students in just 14 placement days, making it the fastest placement cycle in the history of SIDTM. This also positions SIDTM as one of the first schools across India to complete its placement process. The highest package offered this year stands at 29.04 LPA, with an average of 20 plus LPA for the top 25 students and nearly 17 LPA for the top 50. The batch average stands at 13.20 LPA. With the continued effort and expanding industry collaboration, I am confident SIDTM will continue reaching greater heights. Thank you and all the very best to all the upcoming students for their tenure at SIDTM.